Hello guys, hello people. On this video I will show you how to block someone on Viber. It's very easy, okay? So if you have person, he disturb you or you don't want to talk to this person and you want to block him, so watch this video and share with this video with your friends, okay? So for example, we want to go to this person. The first one, it's $100. I want to block him, so we will go to this person. We click on the name of the contact here, $100. Okay, we scroll down, and as you can see here on the list, it's block this contact. Okay, block this contact. We will click on block this contact and the contact has been blocked. Okay, so if you want to unblock him, okay, so as you can see here, when we click on the conversation, it's pop up, it say unblock. Okay, so we can unblock him from here and block him again from here. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, it's very easy. So please, if you learn how to block someone on Viber, subscribe my channel, like the video, and share this video with your friends or on the social media platforms. Thank you.